Hey guys, welcome to Tools in 2, where we create tool reviews in 2 minutes or less. Today we're looking at the Torx driver set from TEKTON. Basic little set. We've got drive all the way up to a 60 or T60 here. The cool thing though, it's also got the reverse of those. Once in a while those are going to come in handy on certain automotive projects. I know I've needed the E10 and E12 before for removing things like seat bolts. Once in a while you can get by with a 6-sided socket and get those off, but you do risk rounding them over. So having these internal pieces, it's a real nice way to go to have the right tool. Not something you're probably going to use every day, but for a lot of us that want to just make sure we've got something available whenever we need to, it's great to have the full set here. Everything from a T8 all the way up to, again, that T60, and then some real small internals here with the E4 there. Again, not something I use real often, but no matter what fastener I got to get off, I know I'm going to have the tool here. Overall, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. The kit's nice. Case works well. There's no labeling on that, so sometimes you got to just remember where your things are. But overall, nice tool to have.